We're looking at a BYD Seagull. This vehicle was recently introduced and kind of caught the auto industry, really caught their attention. It's an immediate threat to our European customers as they see it coming into their shores. Here in North America, we look at it and say, though it's not homologated, with relatively modest investments, they most likely could, and it could become a competitive threat here. We bought the vehicle in China, but because we have a global presence, we're able to ship the vehicle, and we shipped it here. When you drive it, you can drive it in our parking lot. You cannot drive it on the road. It is not legal in our country, and we don't have license plate on it as a result, because they're so highly vertically integrated at their labor rates, in their process, in their environment, a tremendous cost advantage. And so that's why they're bringing forward a vehicle priced in this $11,000 range. So when you put that in perspective, it's just like, oh my gosh, this is really staggering. And I think it's a clarion call to the industry. It says, this is the benchmark. This is what we have to look at. The challenge right now, how do I make an EV that functions? One that meets all its requirements. It's safe, it performs, it's reliable, all the things that we want in our products. And the bigger question now, how do I do it profitably? It seems to be there's a solution right here that we can study and ought to be studying to exhaustion to really understand what can we do.